Fun and learn.
Hello, little learners. Are you ready to have fun with words today? Let's learn some cool rhyming words from the Ann family.
Ann,
Ann, pan,
d,
done, fan, man, pan, ran, one. Now make some simple sentences. Look, this is a can. He is Dan. I have a big fan. A cat ran to the man. The man has a van. The rat ran to the hat. The pan is hot, Dan. Dan can jump. Well done! You've mastered the N family, you are expert now.